In this video, I'll show you how to change the enemy and the friendly color in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. So let's say, for example, you don't like the color that the enemy team has, or if you'd like to change the color to suit your preferences, you can do this on the game itself. So launch the game and get to this homepage, and then from here choose the game, which is Black Ops 6. So select it, then press the options button on your controller to access this menu. Now use the R1 or the L1 button and go to the settings icon that appear on the menu, and then scroll down and select the interface option. So choose that, and then go to the readability section using the R1 or the L1 button. So press the R1 or the L1 button and go to the readability section, then scroll down and select color customization. So choose that, and now from here you can make deep changes to different colors. So for instance, if you want to change your color yourself, so you can come here, select your color, and then choose the color that you desire. So let's say, for instance, if I want purple, you can select that, and you can see there's a preview that will change as you make changes to the options that appear. So if you'd like to change the team color, let's say you want the team color to be green, or let's say red, select it. If you can change also the party color, choose the color that you'd like. So select party and choose the color you like. You can change the enemy color that you desire. So let's say, for example, let's put it green. Select that, and you can change all these other colors that appear. So once done, exit the settings and the changes will be applied. So whenever you launch a game or whenever you launch a match, you'll notice that the changes have appeared. So let me show you. So let's just launch a random match. So once the match is found, so let's see if the changes have been applied. So as you can see, now the changes have been applied.
Kill confirmed.
So that's basically it on how to change the color or change the enemy and the friendly color in Call of Duty Black Ops 6. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.